If I had $1 for every time I shaved, waxed, or cried in the bathroom over a razor bump, I'd have enough for a lifetime supply of self-care days. But today we are breaking that cycle.
I have been using the ULIKE Air10 hair removal device.
And this isn't some ad where I'm pretending that this is magic in a box. This is a real update from someone who loves smooth skin but doesn't have time to be in a spa every other week. I have tried it all: razors, waxing, sugar scrubs, even the one-leg bathtub trick. That's basically a sport at this point. I wanted something more sustainable, something I could do while watching my favorite TV show and not have to remember every 3 days that my leg hair is staging a comeback. So when ULIKE reached out and asked if I'd like to try their new
Air10,
I said yes, but only if I can actually test it out first. I've been using it for 4 weeks now, and I'm gonna walk you through what's real, what's hype, and what it actually feels like to use. So what exactly is IPL? It stands for Intense Pulsed Light, which sounds kind of sci-fi, but it's basically light energy targeting the pigment in your hair follicles. Over time, that light slows down regrowth. It doesn't remove hair permanently. It's long-lasting, meaning the more consistent you are, the smoother you stay. And unlike some other devices, it's FDA cleared, which means it meets the safety standards for at-home use. And that's huge for me because I am not trying to DIY something dangerous. It's nearly painless. It's not completely pain-free. Let's be honest, some of us are more sensitive than others. For me, it's more of a quick warmth than a sting. And the sapphire ice cooling technology, that is not just marketing. It really does feel chill, literally. Let's get into how I use it.
First things first, you need to shave. You need to remove surface hair so the light can reach the follicle, and it comes with this cute little razor. Put on your safety glasses. They come in the box. Don't skip them. Next, we're going to plug it in. Yes, it needs to stay plugged in, but that's how it keeps a stable, high energy light. Next, choose your level. There is also a super hair removal option. I started low and worked my way up. Glide it gently across your skin. You'll see a flash of light and that's it. No need to press hard or linger. I do my legs, underarms, and let's say select bikini area with caution and respect for the manual. The whole process takes maybe 10 to 15 minutes tops.
After 4 weeks, 3 times a week, I've noticed that my hair is growing back slower, softer, and way less. Normally by day 3, I would be scratching my legs or my underarms like a mosquito buffet. Now it's like 5 to 6 days before I even think about shaving again. Underarms feel smoother, 0 bumps, 0 irritation. I didn't burn myself or get any weird patches. The sapphire cooling really helps prevent that. ULIKE says most users see a 90+% reduction in hair growth after about 4 weeks. I'm happy with my journey. I will definitely continue use, and it looks like I can go to once a week for another month. Okay, so pros and cons, because we keep it honest here. Pros, it's nearly painless. Long-lasting smoothness. It's FDA cleared, so I feel safe using it. Helps reduce irritation and ingrown hairs. It's sleek, it's easy to hold, and it looks really cute on my vanity. You guys know I like to do my research. It's trusted by over 5 million users worldwide. Cons, these are just real life notes. You need to stay consistent. This isn't a one-time miracle zap. It is a routine. It has to stay plugged in. It's not cordless, but that's also why the light stays powerful and stable. It's not completely painless. Some areas feel a little tingly, especially where the skin is thinner. Individual results may vary depending on the skin and the hair color. Before I said yes to this collaboration, I actually looked at the reviews. I love reviews, and they are overwhelmingly positive. Like thousands of people talking about real results, not just influencer hype. And after using it myself, I get it. It's one of those tools you buy once, you use it for years, and it's not another bottle that runs out next month. So if you are someone who's tired of shaving, hate waxing, or you're just someone that wants smoother skin without all of the hassle, I think that this could be your new little sidekick. It's perfect for busy people, especially moms, or anyone who doesn't want to schedule spa appointments every few weeks. Just remember, it's long lasting, not permanent. Use it consistently, follow the guide, and give it at least 3 weeks before you judge the results. I'm honestly loving the results. My legs are in their soft girl era. So if you are curious, I will leave the ULIKE IPL down below in the description box, along with my discount code for you guys. Try it for yourself. Come back to the comments and let me know what you think. Are you team razor or are you team IPL? Either way, stay soft, stay glam, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.